Welcome back to my channel, guys. I got a 2012 today. It's a Tacoma, and I got it from a friend of mine, and it's really in good condition right now. And right now we're just gonna work on a small thing that got hit. It got hit on the driver's side, passenger side, and the two doors are really damaged. And we're trying to get the parts right now, and I'm gonna show you guys how it goes, and the process of buying and process of fixing and turning around. Either I'll keep it, either I'll sell it. So please stay with me. This is a new thing for me, so I'm learning. So sorry for the lighting, and it's a little chilly out here in Houston, but I'll let you guys get to see it.